Good afternoon. I'll call the Board of Health meeting to order at 5:30. If we could please rise for the Pledge of Allegiance.
I pledge allegiance to this flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Okay. First up on the agenda is just to continue reviewing on the body work regulations. Nothing to update this month. Just, we have those, so we'll just keep looking at them and decide when we're gonna feel ready to recreate some.
Okay.
Up next, variance request fee and septic abandonment fee. So what we were asked is, we do not have a septic abandonment fee or a permit for it. So
what does that mean? Like, when your septic is pumped?
no, like if you need to install a new septic system and you need a new tank, you have to abandon the old one.
Oh, got it, okay.
So we really need a sewage disposal system abandonment application.
Okay.
And this looks like it covers pretty much, and it's only a $25 fee that they're presenting. It's kind of, just to make people accountable and make sure that we have it on record.
So what do they do with the old one? They just fill it with
They
cement?
fill it,
or
they'll break
something?
up the tank,
Yeah.
fill it, and fill in around it
Oh,
with
all right.
loam and everything, or gravel.
And this will go with all the necessary papers when they want to do a
Right.
new?
Correct.
Okay.
So I guess, and then they also, when there's a variance request, like, how we have them come in front of us for a variance on their septic
Oh,
system?
yeah.
There's no fee.
Oh.
There's no paperwork. So we've been asked by the agent to look at this and perhaps adopt both of these. This with a $25 fee, and she's recommending this with a $20 fee.
Okay, that sounds fair.
Okay, so I would, excuse me, sorry.
All right.
Entertain a motion on accepting this as our sewage disposal system abandonment application with a $25 fee.
Okay, so I make a motion to accept
Mhm.
the sewage disposal system abandonment application with a $25 fee, and then the Board of Health regulation variance request with a $20 per request fee.
Perfect.
Right.
I will second that. Any further discussion?
No?
Nope. All in favor?
Aye.
Passes unanimously. All right, up next, flu and COVID clinics. I was going to speak with our health agent about the clinics that have been going on around town and what little information the board has received about them and how many phone calls we have received regarding them. So unfortunately, she's not here this evening, so we will carry that on.
All right, you don't even know how many people showed up.
I know nothing,
Nothing,
and I think that's information that
We need to know.
we need to know. So, and I know the Board of Selectmen were getting calls, and the Board of Selectmen had questions as to, was this a Board of Health sponsored event, things like that. So
Mhm.
we'll touch base with that again next month.
All right.
And I have no information about food inspections, so we'll just go right over that. Earth Day discussion, Amanda did the flyer, all the information's been sent out. The dumpsters all set, we're working on, she's got snacks and gloves and all kinds of supplies. And then the only thing would be working on a raffle and little prizes and
Oh,
little
right.
giveaway
Mhm.
things.
All right.
So I'll have Amanda start working on that.
Okay.
Anything else about Earth Day?
The flyer, it's pretty specific to what people can and can't drop off, right?
I believe so. We'll
Okay.
double check,
Just double
have
check,
Amanda
yeah.
double check that. Okay. Item number 6, discussions update on the bike rodeo. At this time, we're just going status quo, we're moving right along.
Yeah, I emailed that, Blue Lizard, I believe is their name,
Ooh.
the sunscreen company.
Yep.
I emailed them, it was about a week or so ago, but they're in Australia, so I think it just takes a while.
Yeah.
So hopefully, they can help us this year with the free samples,
Perfect.
so.
That will be good. And I'll have Amanda start working on the flyer, and we'll start I'll have her look into more information on free items.
Yeah, get it out earlier
Yep.
than a month, well, we're already a month before, right? So, yeah.
Yeah, we'll absolutely work on that.
A couple months.
All right, public health nurse, do you have anything?
I don't really, to be honest with you. I
That's
don't-
fine.
Yeah,
Okay.
no.
Haven't received any information from our community health nurse or anything, so don't know. Okay, health agent's not here. Approval of the minutes.
I make a motion to approve the minutes from January 24th, 2023 meeting.
I second that. Any further discussion?
No.
Seeing none, all in
Oh,
favor?
sorry.
No,
No.
that's okay.
No. Aye.
Aye. Passes unanimously.
Ahead of the game.
That's okay, we have no public. Do you have any board comments?
Not that I can think of. How about you?
I can't think of anything, so, our next meeting is,
That's a good one, thank you.
our next meeting is March 21st.
Yep,
We, just as an FYI, we already have, a woman who's coming to the Board of Health meeting, would like the Board of Health to address the trash issue in town.
okay.
And then, recall the fire at Mace Polymers?
What?
Mace Polymers, there
Who's
was a
that?
fire, the big company out on
Oh,
Roberts Road.
yeah.
So the lead inspector from Mace, who was handling the fire, and the fire chief are coming to our next Board of Health meeting. We're gonna be sending out notices to everyone in the area, and he wants to give a rundown as to what's going on, because there was some release of chemicals into, so that, our next Board of Health meeting will be a little bit longer.
Okay,
And it's March 21st at 5:30.
that's fine. I can
Okay.
be available.
Perfect. All right, seeing nothing else,
I make a motion to adjourn.
second that. Any further discussion?
No?
Nope. All in favor?
Aye.
Aye. Passes unanimously. Meeting adjourned at 5:38 PM.